My name is Ojo Isaac, the manager of Presta Royal Concept, located at Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Today, we are going to record this video for you in order for you to know about how to post part payment to vendors. This video is about how to post part payment to vendors. Let's go to our case study. The second question on the case study is this. On the 22nd of January 2020, Ebony Conglomerate made part payment of 2.2 million check to Mandela Laptops with UBA check number 053399. So how do we post this in C50? Let's go to C50. This is C50 dashboard. As usual, we go to task menu, look for payment button from the drop down, payments. I click on payments. This window will display. I will click on vendor ID. From the vendor ID, the drop down, I will look for the company. If you don't remember again, look for it again. That is Mandela Laptops. This is the name of the company, Mandela Laptops. So we go there. We look for Mandela Laptop. On the drop down, Mandela Laptop. This is it. Click on it. Okay, you can see that there are more than one invoice pending here. More than one invoices pending here. There are many invoices here. If you want to view everything, you can maximize this window to see the details. So this is the display now. So we have invoice that is due on the 5th of January 2023. We have also another invoice that is due on the 9th of June 2023. So which is 18.5 million. When you have this kind of scenario, you now decide which one are you going to pay, so that the amount you are going to pay will be applied to that particular invoice. If you are paying 22 million against this, you enter the figure here. If you are paying the 22 million again against 16 million, you enter the figure here. But in my own case, since it's 2 million, it's not up to any of these figures that are displayed here, which is the amount due. It's not up to any amount due here. What I will do is to apply it to the first figure, which is 16 million. The first amount due. So that is what I will do. So let us start now. Go to the reference/check number. Let's look at it from the case study. That is UBA 053399. UBA check 05033999. Okay, we need to enter UBA at the front. UBA, then space. Then the date of payment can be taken as today, which is 18th May 2023. So if it's taken as today, it then means that I will just leave it as the way it is. So after that, I will go to cash account. Where am I paying from in my own record in the office? My cash book account. What is the cash book account I'm going to pay from? I'll click on the drop down arrow. The check number has already told me that I'm going to pay from UBA. Peradventure, you are under a finance manager or an accountant. You need to find out where are we going to pay this particular 2 million from. So what you do is to look for the chief accountant and ask either by way of memo or telephone before you write the check. Okay, this is UBA. I've selected UBA. Then this is part payment now. Ebony Conglomerate make a part payment of 2 million. Check. To Mandela Laptops. Okay. So let's check. Do we have this 2 million remaining in UBA? As I told you, you click on this dollar sign. The dollar sign represents cash account balance of UBA or any other ledger that is selected here. I click on it. Let's see how much we have there. You can see just 2.1 million. So that is why the finance manager decided to pay 2 million and plead that next time or next week another million, another 2 million or 3 million, as the case may be, will be paid. So that is 2 million point 1 there. Okay. So as usual, we come to the description. I'm going to post it against the first amount there, which is 16.2. That is a part payment now. Part payment to Johnson. Okay. So that you will know that it's a part payment. You will now enter it physically with your keyboard. 20000. Press your tab key. That is 200. Add 10 and 10. Okay, that is 2 million now. So that is how to record it in this way. So the next thing is you click on save button. Lest I forget, check is already here. Check method of payment is already here. Click on save button. I've clicked on save button. Let's call up Mandela Laptop to find out if that amount have been deducted from the transaction. Look at it. From the amount due, the amount have been deducted. It was 16.2 million now before. Now it is now balance 14.2 million. So which is properly posted. This is how to record part payment to vendors in Sage 50. So after that, I can now close the mouse. Subscribe to our video. Please like and share this video so that you will be richly endowed with our training.